Good evening, everybody. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, for coming onto my channel, for clicking the like button, for leaving a comment, for subscribing, for sharing, for always being here for me. This isn't the usual content I normally put out. Today, as I was editing, it took me longer than usual to get through 2 minutes worth of footage. I wasn't feeling creative at all. Fortunately for me, it started raining, and I love the rain. I love to hear it beat down on the roofs. I love to hear it blowing in the wind. I love to hear raindrops. It's just so beautiful to me that something so small can bring life to the entire planet. I'm thankful for life right now. Take a moment to breathe in and out and give God thanks. Be thankful that you're still here. Be thankful for your friends, your family. Be thankful for anything you want to be thankful for. I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful for my family, my friends. I'm thankful for the opportunity to bring something creative to you. And I'm thankful that you're sitting through listening to me talk right now and watching plants and the rain and fruits. I'm truly blessed. Please, before you exit out of this video, give it a like, leave a comment letting me know what you're thankful for. Leave a comment about anything you want to leave a comment about. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the post notifications on, share the video if you want to. And most importantly, stay safe. Stay safe for all your dreams, for all your goals, for all the traveling that you want to do. And if you're feeling lonely, hit me up. I'm here. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Well, actually, have a great night. Well, actually, anytime you're watching this, just enjoy being in the moment. Good night.